The first pleading you will probably prepare is the petition for dissolution of marriage. This tutorial assumes that you have already created a basic answer file that includes information about the firm, the courts, and your client and opposing party. In this case, we will use John Hancock's answer file. To speed the lesson along, I will use pre-populated dialogues in the interview as opposed to typing individual answers in the various dialogues. At the library window in the Form Find box, type Petition. Visually scan the results and select Petition, Dissolution of Marriage, Civil Union. Click Assemble. In the Answer File window from the Quick Pick menu, select John Hancock's answer file. Note: before checking OK, click to automatically select this answer file for the next assembly. As long as that box remains checked, John Hancock's answer file becomes the default answer file for the next documents to be assembled. Click Next. Because basic data has already been entered, skip past the Welcome window and move to the next dialog. Details on the relationship, by clicking Next. Basic information about the case, dates of marriage, separation, and so on, together with whether there are any children, are straightforward and need no further explanation. As you may have already seen, there are a couple of ways to enter dates. From the calendar icon, scroll through the calendar and select the date you wish, or in the answer window, use a shorthand method, such as 8.18.2020. Click Next. A series of new questions opens. Depending upon your answers, additional dialogues will follow. Let's take a look at restraining orders. Because the question is in red, you must supply a response. Let's check the second option. A temporary restraining order has entered. As you move past this dialog, a temporary restraining order dialog will open. The same is true with the other questions. Leaving those remaining questions unchecked and clicking Next causes the restraining order dialog to open. Again, the responses are straightforward, and for demonstration purposes, a pre-populated set of responses completes the dialog. The information in this dialog is carried forward to the petition. Let's look at the preview. The information gathered in the dialog is seamlessly carried forward into the petition. Statistical case information, the facts as to why the order was entered, and what the order prohibited are accurately described. Because the summons, information datasheet, and some other documents all share the same information gathered for the petition, no further data need be entered to assemble those documents. For example, to print the summons, in the Form library, find and select Summons. At the Answer File window, check the box. Send the document to Microsoft Word without displaying an interview. The completed document is sent to Word for printing without further input on your part. Thank you for watching this video.